Hi guys, welcome to Colossal Mathematics class. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Alright, in today's video we are still looking at application of differentiation. So this is the last part of this series. Now we'll be looking at the application of differentiation to velocity and acceleration. Now when you are given distance is denoted by what? By letter S. I get what I'm saying. The distance is denoted by letter S, which is the word you see here now. Are you seeing that now? So whenever you are given S, which is the distance or the position, to get your velocity V is what? ds dt. Are you seeing? And how do I get that? You know, from normal, velocity is equal to what? Change in displacement. Change in what? Change, let me just use this sign. Velocity is what? Change in displacement over, what am I writing? Change in displacement S over what? Over change in time. Are you seeing that? And don't forget, I told you that change is the same thing as what? ds dt. Are you seeing that? Now if you want to get acceleration, you know acceleration is what? Change in velocity over what? Over change in time taken. So you can just say time taken. I get what I'm saying now. So this will now give us what? dv dt. So what this means in essence is, if you want to get velocity, you will differentiate distance. I get what I'm saying. If you want to get velocity, you differentiate distance, ds dt. And if you want to get acceleration, you will differentiate velocity. I get what I'm saying now. So that is how you would get that. Do you get that now? So that means if a question says that find acceleration, you cannot just, and if a question says find acceleration and they give you distance, you cannot get acceleration without first getting the what? The velocity. And you get what I'm saying now? All right, so now let's see the solution to this. Now look at the question. The question says that suppose that a particle's distance is given by what? They said the particle's distance is given by t squared. The particle's distance is given by what? Is given by t squared minus what? Minus 3t plus 5. Then you want to find, number one, the velocity after t seconds. What this means, after t seconds, means just find the velocity. There is no time to it. I get what I'm saying. So first I'll do this number one, then I'll come to number 3. Are you seeing that? So you want to get the velocity. So how will you get the velocity? You know, your s is given as what? T squared minus 3t plus 5. T squared minus 3t plus 5. So what do you want to do? You want to find what? You want to find v. And what's your v? Your v is what? ds dt. So you want to differentiate s with respect to t. If you differentiate t squared, what will you have? You will have 2t. I get what I'm saying. And if you differentiate minus 3t, what will you have? You will have minus what? 3. If you differentiate 5, that will give you what? 0. Are you seeing that? So that means your v at t seconds, your v at t seconds is what? Because it means v, look at it, at t seconds, that means anywhere you see t, you put t again. I get what I'm saying. That means your v is equal to what? 2t minus what? 3. I get what I'm saying now. So this is your answer. Now let's come to this number 3 question. This number 3 question says after 2 seconds. This one is after t seconds. Now, what will be after 2 seconds? I'm sure you already have the idea. After t seconds, after 2 seconds now, what does that mean? That means anywhere I see t now, I'll put what? 2. So that means I will have v equal to what? V equals to what? That will be what? 2 into bracket 2. Yes or yes? Minus what? 3. So that means my v is equal to what now? 4 minus 3, and my v is equal to what? 1. Do you understand now? So after 2 seconds, our velocity is what? 1. What's the unit? 1 meter per seconds. Are you guys what I'm saying now? All right. Now let's do the acceleration here. It will be very simple, so I'll just do it here. Acceleration is what? dv dt. That means you want to differentiate your velocity. And what is your velocity? This is your velocity here, 2t minus 3. So velocity is what? 2t minus 3. That means our acceleration will now be dv dt. So you want to differentiate your v now. If you differentiate your v, what will you get? That means your a is equal to what? Oh yeah, differentiate 2t. If you differentiate 2t, what will you get? You will have 2. If you differentiate this minus 3, because it's a constant, you will have 0. That means our acceleration is what? Is 2. I get what I'm saying. Now look at this number 2. Number 2 says after t seconds. Is there t here? No. That means after t seconds, your acceleration is still what? 2 meter per second square. I get what I'm saying. Your acceleration is to what? 2 meter per second square. I hope you are subscribed to this channel so you can see my next video. Your acceleration here is what? Is 2 seconds, because there is no t here. The same thing applies to number 4. The number 4 question says after 6 seconds. Is there t here? No t here. That means it is still 2. Do you understand that now? So that is the solution to that question. Are you getting what I'm saying? That's the solution to that question. All right, now let's see another question where you get to understand this. Now look at, they said another question. You can write this. It says after t seconds. Write the question. I'm dictating the question. After t seconds, a particle has traveled a distance where s is equals to minus 27t plus what? Plus 15t squared minus t cube. Are you getting what I'm saying? Now the question says that when is its velocity 0? Question 1. When is its velocity 0? That means at what time? Whenever you hear the word when, it means time. At what time will its velocity be equal to what? 0. The number 2 says when is its acceleration 0? That means you should find the time too when the acceleration is equal to what? 0. I get what I'm saying now. Then another question now says, number 3 says find its velocity. Find velocity and acceleration after a 2 seconds, b 6 seconds, Yes. Are you seeing this now? Now this is a good question here. Let me do this like this, because they are actually short solution. All right, now look at the first question. It says find its velocity. They say whenever you hear the word when, the next thing that should come to your mind is what? Is time. I get what I'm saying. When simply means time. So you have s equal to what? Minus 27t plus 15t squared minus t cube. So what will be your v? You will know our v is what? ds dt. I get what I'm saying now. So that means our v will be equal to what? Let's differentiate. If you differentiate minus 27t, what we get? You get minus 27. Are you seeing that now? If you differentiate 15t squared, you will get what? Plus 30t. I get what I'm saying. And if you differentiate minus t squared, you will get what? If you differentiate minus t squared, you will get minus 3t. If you differentiate t cube, you will get minus 3t squared. Abi? So this will now give us, so this is our velocity now. Yes, this is confirmed. This is our velocity. I get what I'm saying now. So they now say that when is its velocity 0? When is its velocity 0? That means when v equal to 0, find t. How will you do that? For you to find t, so that means you are going to say 0 equal to everything you have here, minus 27 plus 30t minus 3t squared. Are you seeing that now? You know, from here, this is a quadratic equation. This is a what? This is a quadratic equation. Let me divide through by 3 first. If I divide everything by 3, I will have what? 0 equal to what? 27 divided by 3 will give us what? 9. So this is minus 9. 30 divided by 3 will give us what? Plus 10t. Are you seeing that now? Then minus what? T squared. Are you seeing that now? So let me rearrange. If I multiply through by minus, or by bringing everything to the left hand side, that will give us what? T squared minus 10t minus 9 equal to 0. So now this is a quadratic equation. Are you seeing that now? This is a quadratic equation, and if you factorize by using factorization method, if you factorize t squared minus 10t minus 9, if you don't know factorization, you can check my video on quadratic equation factorization method. If you factorize this, you are going to have t minus 1 t minus 9. This is what you are going to have when you factorize that value equal to 0. I get what I'm saying now? Equal to 0. So that means t minus 1 equal to 0, or what? T minus 9 equal to 0. Are you seeing that now? So that means our t is equal to what? 1, or our t is equal to what? 9. Are you seeing that now? So that means velocity. So you conclude, you say hence velocity is what? Is 0. Velocity is what? Is 0 after how many seconds? After 1 second. After 1 second, and what? And the second answer now, and after 9 seconds. Are you seeing that now? Now let me show you the beauty here. Look at the beauty here. You know that our v, we said v is equal to what? What was our v that we got? minus 27. We got minus 27 plus what? Plus 30t plus 30t minus 3t squared. Now what this thing means is, if you put t equal to 1, you will get v to be 0. Look at it. This will give us minus 27 plus 30 times 1, that will give us 30, minus 1 square is 1, minus 3 times 1 minus 3. You can see minus 27 minus 3 minus 30 plus 30, 0. Can you see that now? And if you put 9 seconds too, if you put 9, you will also get 0. This will be minus 27 into 30 into what? Into 9 minus 3 into 9 square will give us what? 81. Are you seeing that now? 9 square will give us what? 81. This will now give us what? Minus 27 plus 30 times 9. What will you get? 30 in 9 places. What is it going to give us? This will give us 270 minus 3 times 81. 3 times 81 should give us 273. 81 times 7. 81 times 3 rather. 243. 243. Now you can see minus 27 minus 247. Minus 27 minus 243 is 270. 270 plus, minus 20. So this is 270. Then minus 27 minus 243 is also 270. And that will give us what? 0. Sure you get? So that is what the question means, that after what's it called? The time when the velocity is 0 is either what? 1 or 9. Now let's come to our next question. Our next question says, when is its velocity 0? When is its acceleration 0? That means you should find the time when a is equal to what? 0. Now don't forget that your a, the formula for a is what? dv dt. That means you should differentiate your v. And what is your v? This is our v here. Where is it? This is our v here. I get what I'm saying. So v is equal to what? Minus 27 plus 30 t squared. Let me erase this part first, so that I can write it bold. Alright, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. So our v is equal to what? Minus 27 plus 30 minus 3t squared. Are you seeing that? So we'll differentiate it. Our a will now be equal to, let's differentiate, that's dv dt. If you differentiate it now, what will you get? If you differentiate minus 27, that will become what? This is 30t. This is 30t minus, please let me just rewrite that part so that we will not miss anything there. Alright, so this is minus 27 plus 30t minus what? 3t squared. So if you differentiate this, you are going to have minus 27. That will give us 0. If you differentiate 30t, 30t will give you what? 30 minus, if you differentiate 3t squared, what will you get? You will get what? 6t. I guess what I'm saying now. So they said, when is the velocity, when is its acceleration 0? So that means when a equal to 0 now. When a is equal to what? 0. That means you are going to have what? 0 equal to what? 30 minus what? 6t. I get what I'm saying. 30 minus 6t. So if you bring minus 6 to this side, That will give us plus 60 equal to what? 30. If you divide both sides by what? By 6. You know, you divide both sides by 6 here now. So 6 cancel 6. That means, therefore, our t is equal to what? 5. Do you understand that now? So our t is equal to what? 5. Now, look at this. You've gotten t equal to what? T is equal to 5. You see, let us prove it again. You know that our a, what was our a here? We said a equal to what? 30 minus 6t. If you put 5 here, you can see, obviously, that's what? 30 minus 6 times 5, 30. And that's also what? 0. Do you understand the question now? So that is how you solve this type of question. Now, for our third part, the question says, find velocity and acceleration when, after 2 seconds and after 6 seconds. So look at, you've gotten your velocity here to be minus 27 plus 30 minus 3t squared. All you just do is to just plug in 2 in this velocity and you will get your answer. Then the second question, you plug in 6 also. You also get your what? Your answer. I get what I'm saying. Then after that, you come to acceleration. What's your acceleration? Your acceleration is what? 30 minus 60. So you plug in 2. That should give you 6 minus 12. 30 minus 12. That's 18. I get what I'm saying. And then in the second question, you plug in 6. So do that and tell us the answer in the comments section. Do that and tell us the answer in the comments section. All right. So let me give you assignment. Number 1, you find, so let's say given s equals to what? T squared plus t squared plus t. Or do you think I should solve this? Do you think I should solve this question? Should I just solve the question so you can get it? But I'm sure you understand what I'm saying now. I've done it here. Like this one that says after. Okay, let me just do it. Let's just do it quick. So the first, our velocity is what? Let me finish that question so that there will be no excuses. All right, as a science student, no excuses. So our v already, we've gotten our velocity. Our velocity is what? Minus 27 plus 30t minus 3t squared. So the first question says after 2 seconds. After 2 seconds means v will now be equal to what? Minus 27 plus 30 into what? Into 2. I seen that now. Minus 3 into 2 squared. That will give us what? Minus 27 plus 30 times 2 is what? 60 minus 2 squared. So this is what? 4. And that will give us what? Minus 27 plus 60 minus 12. I seen that. Minus 27 plus 60 minus 12. And that will give us 21. I seen that. So that means 21 meter per second. I seen that now. So after 2 seconds, our velocity is what? 21 meter per second. And the second one says after 6 seconds. I'm sure now you can do this. After 6 seconds, this will give us what? V equals to what? V equal to what? Minus 27 plus 30 into what? Into 6 minus 3 into what? 6 squared. Are you seeing that now? So this will give us what? V equal to minus 27 plus 30 times 6 will give us 180 minus 3 into 6 squared is what? 36. Are you seeing that 6 squared is 36? So this will give us V equal to what? Minus 27 plus 180 minus 36 times 3. that will give us 108. That will give us 108. So that means our v here is equals to, if you do this, our v will be equal to 45. So that means our v is equal to what? 45 meter per seconds. I think that after 6 seconds. I get what I'm saying now. All right. So acceleration, this third question there, we want to do the acceleration. What's our acceleration? Our acceleration is what? You know, we've gotten acceleration also. Our acceleration is what? 30 minus 60. So this is 30 minus 60. So the first one at 2 seconds. That means our 30 will be 30 minus what? 6 into 2. And that's 30 minus 12. And that means we have what? 18 meter per second square. I see that now. And the next one at what? At 6 seconds. That will give us what? A equal to, don't forget A equal to what? 30 minus what? 6 into 6. I get what I'm saying. And that means our A is equal to what? 30 minus what? 36. That's what? Minus 6 meter per second square. So do you understand? Do you understand these questions now? So that is how you do this type of questions. All right, don't forget, when you are given distance and you want to find velocity, you differentiate the distance to get the velocity, and you also differentiate velocity to get acceleration. I get what I'm saying now. All right, so this is where we are going to stop for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. All right, so let me give you an assignment. So find the velocity and acceleration if s equals to t squared minus t squared plus t minus 5. I get what I'm saying. T squared plus t minus 5. Find the velocity at t. Find the velocity at t, and also acceleration at t. Then find velocity after 1 second. After 1 second, and find acceleration after 4 seconds. Yes. The number 2 question. Number 2 question, you have this one. They give you velocity equals to what? T squared minus t plus 2. Then they say find the acceleration. Find the acceleration after 2 seconds. After 2 seconds. Number 2, find the acceleration after half second. And then number 3, find the acceleration after 3 seconds. So these are just do these 2 assignments. All right, don't forget to subscribe, like, and always share this video. All right, so with this we have come to the end of differentiation. All right, so in the next class I'll be talking about maximum and minimum function, and then we'll enter integration. All right, so thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. All right.